33 men trapped under a mountain of rubble for 69 days. Story of survival against all odds. In August 2010, 33 miners were trapped underground after a catastrophic accident at the San Jose mine in Chile. The men were stuck 700 feet below ground with limited supplies, facing the very real possibility of never seeing the light of day again. But against all odds, they survived for 69 days. It was a Tuesday morning when the miners were preparing to start their shift. Suddenly, the ground trembled beneath their feet as a powerful earthquake struck the region. The strong tremors caused a massive rock slide, sealing the entrance to the mine and trapping the men inside. As the dust settled, the miners found themselves in a dark, cramped space with only a few emergency supplies. They had some first aid kits, but no food or water. With their headlamps, they discovered a small opening that allowed them to breathe. But it was too narrow for anyone to pass through. Trapped and with dwindling supplies, the miners had to make a decision. They could either wait for rescue or try to dig themselves out. With little to lose, they chose the latter. Using whatever materials they had, including pieces of wood from the support beams that had fallen during the earthquake, they began digging a hole to the surface. But the conditions were harsh, and the task seemed impossible. The miners were exhausted and hungry, and the narrow shaft made it difficult to breathe. Despite the challenges, they refused to give up hope. Every day they dug, they moved one step closer to freedom. Meanwhile, on the surface, a massive rescue operation was underway. As news of the trapped miners spread, the entire country of Chile was mobilized. Soldiers, police, and volunteers all worked tirelessly to locate the men. Using a drilling machine, they created a vertical shaft to reach the miners. But it was a slow process, and the miners had to be patient. Finally, after 69 days, the drill reached the trapped men. A loud cheer erupted as the miners heard the sound of the drill for the first time. It was a sign of hope that someone was trying to save them. One by one, the miners were pulled to the surface. When the last miner emerged from the shaft, he was greeted by the cheers of thousands of people. The 33 men had survived against all odds. Today, the Chilean miners' story continues to inspire people around the world. Their bravery and determination in the face of impossible odds is a testament to the power of the human spirit. That's all for today. See you next time.